Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley, and today we're going to be slaying another beautiful lace wig. As always, this is going to be a start to finish install. Unfortunately, it's not the wig here, but it is a beauty that we received from Wigencounters. This is one of the companies that I have worked with before, so I already know off the bat this wig is gonna look good. It's gonna be great quality and it's gonna hold up super well. You guys can see just in there how pretty this texture and this pattern is. It's gonna look so good on, and it's gonna be so easy to install and maintain. It is set as a center part, but this is what the inside construction of the cap looks like. You have ear-to-ear lace. In the inside, you guys can see from here to here, you'll be able to part it all the way down. I believe this is about 6 inches, so that you're pretty much good to go as far as wanting to do a center part or a side part. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this little piece off in the back. It's just a little excess lace because there is a little lace in the back if you do choose to bind your wigs down in the back. If you are in the market or just trying to figure out how to install a wig without bleaching the knots, this is gonna be a great video for you. Okay, I wanted to go in and add some heat to the hairline, mainly because the install process is so much easier when there are no flyaways and the hairline is smooth. Because it's kind of short, I kind of feel like if I did like a side flip over situation after activating the curls, it just might look a little too crazy. So I'm gonna stamp it out as a center part, and you see how beautiful that is. But again, I'm gonna show you, like, you guys look at this and you think, wow, it's too dense, it's not gonna look good. I'm gonna show you how to make it look good without the craziness.
This, I doubt that we can solve it. Been trying.
And you see, I didn't do the whole zigzag for the jagged edge that I always tell you about. I don't always do that. I just teach you or tell you guys that because I want you guys to know that that is how you can, you know, just one of the many steps you can do to help to make the wig look a little bit more natural along the hairline. But because I know I'm going to fill this one up for baby hair, you're not going to be able to see the hairline regardless. So let's go ahead and install and work on the baby hair. I am watching a series on Netflix. It's called The Witcher. I don't know why, but I like old movies lately. I'm gonna watch this while we install the wig and do the baby hair, and then we'll come back together and do the curls, activate the curls together.
You say you're special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough.
Yeah, in the stove, on the corner of my road. I should've took the boat. Yeah, I could've took the boat. Yeah, I'll be in a fuss. All my friends going up. Yeah, who's the real plug now? I guess that might be us now. Yeah, always on the road, I never home. Got a couple bands on my own. Now they really calling up my phone. Now they really wish that I was home. But I don't wanna party on my own. I don't wanna feel so alone. I made a couple bands on my own. Now all they wanna do is pay for it. Don't slip on the trip. Don't slip on the trail.
Tempo, tempo. Can you keep up with my tempo? Tempo. Yeah, blowing up. C4. I just hit the Mike Jackson on my tiptoes. Oh yeah, I know we go wherever that wind blows. The endo. Don't slip on the trail. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the trail. High key, I know. I send all of my rap foes like they my tadpoles. Yeah, yeah. Blowing up, C4. I just had to go crack now on my Depot. Yeah, that Draco bustin' like free throws. I do not miss no shots, I got the cheat code. That's why I never lose. They can't predict my moves. I'm way too smooth, yeah. I just caught a groove, yeah. This right here, that Tarzana, the fire in the booth, yeah. Had to go right back to it, yeah. If you ain't talking about money, please save your breath, don't bring it up to me, yeah. I pull up in that stunt like a 007 James Bond type movie, yeah. Hey, don't slip on the trip, no, 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 no.
Yeah. I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down till I burn out. I just wanna live fast, I don't wanna look back and say I could've done more than I did now. Sometimes it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard when you grow up. People fill you with doubt, you start thinking about what you're gonna do now. But we only got one chance and got one life to live. And it's do or die, gotta make it count, so lose your worries. Let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. I don't wanna waste time, I don't wanna waste time, I don't wanna waste time on fake friends. I just wanna get high, I just wanna get high, I just wanna get higher. Sometimes people will try to hold you back from being who you want to. Don't be questioning why, do whatever feels right, find your passion and fight. Cause we only got one chance and got one life to live.
Okay, we are pretty much done with the look. I really feel like I snapped on the baby hair, especially in the center. Sometimes I try to accomplish this and I never get it. I think the key to it is just to cut it really short, and you can kind of have some fun with that. Now I went ahead and I used mousse, but I felt like it wasn't saturating all, and I'm just pumping and forever. So I did go ahead and add a little bit of water just to kind of saturate that product, so I wasn't putting like a gallon of mousse in there and it being like too much product. Only thing left to do, you guys already know, our last step is powder and concealer. Taking a good look at the hairline, I feel like it can kind of be straightened out a little bit more, but because this is like a curly wavy look, I think we can also equally get away with not making it so clean. Now you guys know I love my heat even when I'm using or wearing a wet style. I still like to go in with a little bit of heat, which I don't know, that's normal, that's a good thing, but I kind of want to do a little bit. Let me do the powder first and then we're gonna do a little heat just to make it look super like pressed. And this is gonna kind of camouflage those roots. The concealer already covered the roots, or not the roots, the knots in the parting. Now this powder here, you see, I don't know if it's gonna focus, but there's some knots right here, and I wanted to show you guys how well this powder is gonna cover them. Obviously this is a temporary option, so you would definitely want to go in at some point if this is a wig you're going to be wearing daily and bleach the knots, because you just don't want to leave them. But again, if this is something that you're going to be taking on and off and you don't really care to add powder, or you don't mind rather adding powder on a daily basis, I recommend you can kind of take either the spray you use to bond your wig down, or you can take an oil sheen. I feel like I use oil sheen less and less these days. That smells really good. And of course putting a little oil sheen on an already wet hairstyle is gonna make it look even more wet and shiny and pretty. I feel like you guys would probably say, oh, that didn't do anything, but Like, I can tell a big difference when I do that. Maybe it's all in my head, but you also know I like to have that little flip up there to accentuate that baby hair in the hairline. And we are done, and we look like we actually got our hair done, not like some DIY out of the kitchen. It looks beautiful. I definitely think you can thin out the sideburn if you like a thinner sideburn. I was watching who is it, Life is Neat, because sometimes I feel bad with my hairline or my baby hair is a little bit on the thicker side. But I was watching her vlog the other day. I think she got her boobs done, or I don't think she got her boobs done, and like her sideburns and stuff be thick, and it looks really good on her. So it made me not feel so bad about how like I like mine to be a lot more full. This one is 180% density, 6 inches of parting, as I've mentioned a few times already. The lace color is transparent. As I mentioned, they did bleach the knots, but only in the front along the hairline. The color is natural black. This is Brazilian virgin hair, and again, the lace is superfine HD invisible Swiss lace. That is my mouthful about the specs on this one. If you didn't catch it, go to the description box and you can find it there. Hopefully I'll have a coupon code for you down there as well as the direct link to this wig. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you made it to this part of the video. I am so grateful for all of you who ride with me and support my channel. I'm Ashley Bedeck if you are tuning in for the first time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!
Jag minns ju den tid du gav mig life billar, jo. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunna ge förut. Det finns ingen annan där som kan stå